invite and share. Enablers don't want me to come live. I think the network is stable now. Please invite and share. The female general is live. My belly no be stop. So please, when I invite and share, when I show some love and some like. Enablers don't want me to come and talk because they don't say my mouth no be play. So please invite and share. Get a conversation. It don't bat. Who granted us the freedom, who are hero, we burn the blood with their blood. Glory to the glory, we rise and never to fall. Yeah, in the nation, for in the milk and honey. Thank you so much, Robinson, Ekene, I don't salute you. John, I don't salute you. They are attacking my life. I don't know why. Please show some love. Show some love. I don't know why they don't want me to come talk, but I have come to. Yeah, please. You people will be there and they go hack my life. When the people entering government at first. I say, I feel say una no ready. Una tell me I come my stomach to go because I don't want headache. How no una go there they go attack my life. Una no go send some love, some like. What will be the meaning of that one? Ah, la République, la République, la République. I have come to stay. Oh, hey. They never see anything. Enablers. We will get there. Invite and share. Invite and share. We are going to get there. Invite and share. I don't know why enablers are against me coming live today because they know that I am their medication. But it is well. Keep inviting and sharing, please. Keep inviting and sharing. Okay. I think we are getting there. Show some love, show some life. I have come to stay. Enablers. Hey, una go so far. Please, let us do fast. Let us do fast. Show some love, share, show some love. Say, una tell people say female are there. I don't come to stay for so long because they are attacking my Facebook. They don't want me to come live. So please, show more love, show more like, show more like, show more love. So I not stay for long because I don't want them to succeed. Invite and share and show some love. It don't bad. Let us observe our national anthem. I'm trying to do as fast as possible because I don't know these people that will allow me, but I will still do my best. So please, as you come join, invite and share. This is the female general, the only female general of Ambazonia, the voice of the voiceless. Let us listen to our national anthem before we start, please. Thank you. I want to appreciate our Excellency Dr. Sako, the legitimate president of the Ambazonia revolution, the country called Ambazonia. So I want to appreciate our Secretary Chris, and I want to tell all enablers say we own Ambazonia. Ambazonia is our territory, and nobody, I repeat, nobody control Ambazonia apart from the interim government led by Excellency Dr. Sako Ikome. All those noise makers, enablers, mad people, La République colleagues, may they know understand that Ambazonia have rise to for no more. As you don't come join the female general today, maybe next more to live for inside house. I go like you to sit down, take your popcorn and listen to news. It don't bad. I don't come here to look for face for enablers. I come here to tell my people the truth the way it is. I didn't come here to laugh, because as you see me so, Ambazonia is my life. So please, she don't quiet, take your popcorn, invite and share, call Jangi House, Safe Female General Day Aaron, and put your hand for your chest and let us observe our beautiful national anthem. I miss you too, Grace Azanu, my beautiful Amba sister. I miss una plenty. Now say I don't come. And never say no go possible for me to come live. But I've tell them say I have come to stay until we get to Buea. So thank you so much for joining today. Let us observe our national anthem and we enter inside Toli. Hey, I know say una means we plenty. Oh, now so it increase. Oh, I love una plenty. Let us go to the topic. Is the land of glory, with the Ambazonia, pleasure, loyalty. Praise the Son of Savior who granted us the freedom and led you to a hero who bowed the blood with their blood. Glory to the glory, we rise and never to fall. Yeah, in the nation, for in the milk and honey. Glory, glory, glory to the Father, for letting a nation enjoy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live with plenty, meeting our need. And the children shall be like the star above. The Most High God be the watchman of his nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall be in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the star above. The Most High God be the watchman of his nation. Thank you so much, fellow Ambazonians. Thank you for joining today. You don't bad for inside the house. I want to appreciate Una for everything Una do for this revolution. I want to appreciate Una for the Amber Wardrobe, ABC Amber Wardrobe Una do. It was a success. Una put enablers down la sauce. I want to enter into the topic. It don't bad. It don't bad because Epom Vondo and Matt Arata have been arrested. Yes. Epom Vondo and Mark Barata have been arrested. That is the news of today. We will talk about that, and I will send a strong message to La République, and I will tell you what happened today with ADF and La République collaboration. Toli the inside house. Una she don't quiet, and we go have some Toli. Fellow Ambazonians, I want to start by thanking everyone that come today to follow Female General. I want to appreciate Una and say I'm very sorry for the break. I will not say when I want to do investigation, I need more time to do investigation to bring Una first class information. I don't give me fake news, no, which I don't know. If Una see me say I don't silent, me say I dey under the work. They bring a first class information. I dey bring Una first class information today. Say Epom Vondo, he collect money for La République. He like La République say our Excellency Dr. Sako was arrested. La République give him money. Epom collect money for La République. Oh, he deceive. La République say they arrest our Excellency Dr. Sako and Chris Anu. So they give him money. He share with Mark Barata. La République don't send Epom to court. If it will not think say I dey lie, he don't link to me. Say La République don't send Epom and Mark Arata. They will be arrested. So when I say arrested, I say they dey on the way to be arrested. They dey on the way to be arrested. Hey, Epom na 419. This guy is a criminal. That day I see Epom saying that Dr. Sako will be arrested. I say, what? This man na madness already. I be think say this guy is getting crazy. I didn't know say it was a plan for him to scam La République. He tell La République said our Excellency was arrested. And hey, when they discover say our Excellency was never arrested, Epom in trouble. EPOM and Marc Arata have been sent directly to court by La République because not be by Ambazonians, because we don't get time for EPOM. We don't even know EPOM. EPOM is not even our dictionary. So now, he collect money for La République. Say they arrest our excellency. When they discover say they don't arrest our excellency, they don't send EPOM to court. So in the next day ahead, EPOM is going to jail straight. Not because of the revolution, no. So when I hear say EPOM is in prison, no, I'm not saying that because of the revolution. So maybe nobody sorry him. EPOM as soon as see so, he don't go find his own trouble with his own colleague. When I not say I don't tell una from the beginning, say EPOM be enter America as infiltrator. So he dey work under La République. When I know that time when they go, if they go eat crap, where if they eat crap, they cry. Now so hunger won't kill him. EPOM they sit down with the colleague Marc Barata. The reason say wetin I want to do again to get money. Now so they come up we say our excellency Dr. Sako and Chris Anu have been arrested. La République was so happy. He said he deceived them. Say when I see that Shema he talk say FBI, it was just a Shema to make sure say La République believe in him and give him the money. So when he talk say FBI, I know FBI, they knock his name say FBI. When they do like that, La République they follow them. They're happy. They even send people on the ground with the fly safe to make him popular. You know Waka. They want to make him supreme commander. You know Waka. He come say National Army. Ambassador don't mind him. He go now tell La République say they arrest Dr. Sako and Chris Anu. He collect money. Oh yes, he say don't deliver. He don't send them to FBI for Matrix to Boya. Why he know very well the truth about Matrix to Boya? That brother with the big stomach, he eat Matrix to Boya. EPOM never called him name before because EPOM no be Matrix to Boya money. No. EPOM problem na say he want deceive La République. Yes. So fellow Ambazonians, that was for EPOM. I want to tell you say anything where EPOM they talk, na lies. Anything where EPOM they talk, na lies. EPOM no get nothing to offer. But I want to appreciate him some more because I be here say he be insult Castle. That Mr. Castle where he stole my big pass my own self. Mr. Castle, I have a message for you. Nick Santos, you are a disgrace for this revolution. You are a disgrace for this revolution. You carry your stomach and talk say Matrix to Boya. Do you don't know what happened to Matrix to Boya? You don't know what happened to Matrix to Boya? You know go she don't quiet and sit down and ask. We don't pass the level for Matrix to Boya. Una there every day say Matrix to Boya. Una no go ask Tabenyam Brand what happened to Matrix to Boya. Una they say lockdown, but maybe they don't close everywhere. Una don't say now the people enter government led by excellency Dr. Sako get the land. Una no fish she don't quiet. Enablers. Una don't try all means, you know the waka, una don't tired. Una don't bring all the strategy, lie upon lies, you know waka, una don't tired. So I want to appreciate EPOM at least that day, it be get sense more talk say Santos na mad person. So me myself I don't endorse say Santos na mad person because person where they go from IG to ADF, you know waka, he come on ADF, he go Milan Scoop, you know waka, he come on for Scoop now, he go Nigeria say patriot or wait, I don't even know for that old man, for that useless man where your wife don't run him. That man is so useless. He's so useless. That's the way I go US. This man said he want to invite me for his house. I don't even mind him. I did not say that man na agent, na person where he find na stomach. He find na his own personal belly. I tell him say, Papa, I don't feel come me for US, come visit you because my man don't tell me say you be traitor since day one. He tell me say no, not talk like that. We get to be objective. I say which objective? He said we get to be objective because Eric Tato and me, we don't understand, we collect our own money. I say, so you and Eric Tato, una don't collect money. It don't reach to the point, say, I want to tell una. It is very important, maybe we understand. Say, una know if you want to make for social media. I want to tell ADF, I want to tell them today. ADF, I want to warn una to stay away of B warriors. I want to tell una to stay away of B warriors. Because una dey lie sote. Number one, una all see last week. ADF claim say General Magdor was their general. I like that. General Magdor was their general. I love that. If General Magdor was their general, we have to reason together because we are no fools. We are Ambazonians, and the great people of Ambazonia will get sense. General Magdor, because ADF, as you see them, so they like to claim everything. Yes, they don't claim coronavirus before. Say person die for coronavirus, they say that them kill the person. So they like to claim things. So let us assume, say they don't claim, say General Magdor is their general. We all saw a picture of General Magdor with La République B. That means say General Magdor was an infiltrator. La République B infiltrator. So La République B bring am because now one big bandit will be come out now for prison. La République be removed for prison. May come they work under them. So if ADF be talk say General Magdor na their general, we all understand together say ADF na La République and La République na ADF. General Magdor na La République personal infiltrator Amba and General Magdor is ADF. That does not, that it makes some sense. I beg, may I talk small, may I hear very well. General Magdor is La République Atanganji Amba boy, where they be removed from prison. When this revolution, when we take arm to defend ourselves, they be removed from prison, may it come to work with them. So if La République Vigilant Group, we all Ambazonians know General Magdor as working with B. So he was like committing all the atrocity we had see for Amba land, for Northern Zone. He was the one committing all those atrocities to label us terrorists. So now, as it come happen, say, if they commit all those atrocities, when I listen, if they commit all those atrocities, they will promise him, say, if he do well, they go, after he finish do them, they go send him for Europe. General Magdor have a lot of information. That is the same thing that happened with Bar Ivo. That is the same thing that happened with General Ivo. So now, when they promise him, say they want to send him for abroad, General Magdor be know the secret between ADF and La République. General Magdor be know too much. That is why he have to die. Can somebody listen to me? General Magdor knows so much. He was a threat to ADF and La République. If General Magdor was still alive today, he would tell Ambazonians the truth. So wetin happen? I say waiting. First class information when it reach from my hand. I say I was in my house because I know they go me also. Now inside my house I say they come with me. I mean be that. I don't say as I tell una so una listen. General Magdor become for Ayaba as a collaborator. So if be no say na B and Atanganji Paul be send am for ADF. Say they go work together because they are doing partnership. ADF and La République B are doing partnership. They are colleagues. Because when I tell una talk say no general, no be lie. They are colleagues. So those two people are colleagues. Una write them. They are colleagues. So Atanganji Paul be send General Magdor for ADF. Because we all know say na prison away come when they remove am say may come. So they carry and send am for ADF. We now go see picture where before they send am for ADF, the military, La République military be take picture. Now God won't catch them be that oh. La République military be take picture with him before. So before they send him to ADF. So when he reach ADF, what was the mission? The mission was to fish out all the real restoration fighters. The mission was to kidnap and ask for ransom. The mission was to do bad thing to label us terrorists. So they was collaborating with Efang. Efang where he life still there in danger. You know what they will see say they don't kill Efang because Efang don't confess to somebody. Say it no be no say ADF they work with La République. So now you don't discover because there are some things where they send and may go do When me drop like this, the B go come. When he drop him, he go see say na B again. Fit come take him. So if I confess to somebody say he no say B and ADF are one. So una he no go take if I go die. At the time una na me una write them down. He no go take because Efang life is in danger. Efang life is in danger. And who go kill him? Na B. B go kill him because say he don't discover. He don't discover something we no supposed discover the way General Ivo be discover. And they talk me now for General Maidor. Me I don't even talk. Efang, he don't choose his own death. Na criminal. He don't take self. So as I was saying, my people, when they listen to me because now me the female general they talk. Efang and General Maidor was collaborating. When I see that braquage when they go braquer for that bank, na Maidor, Efang, and all the rest they be go braquer. If you look the video very well, you go see Efang stomach there. Person when get there, it was Efang. So now when they finish that braquage, it was a threat now to the DG of the bank. The DG of the bank now, if you get person where it pass, you understand, big, if you know big person for the government. So if you talk say, but this boy when I send him say as an infiltrator, it become like a threat to me because Maidor now be see money, it be change. You know they listen to their boss again. So Maidor becomes a threat to La République and ADF. When I say money, so it change person. Money na something when a very bad something. When they send Maidor for mission, you know say that mission, so he go bring am money. So if they see girl for free to rape, if they see money for free because if they take ransom, if he collect maybe 1 million, he go lie, he both say he collect na 200. So na so it be big. So Maidor be see say if they get big money, he know they mind them again. He enter his brain, so he know the reason again. Now so he come out, he they do na anyhow now, he go braquer bank. When he go braquer the bank, so they come say, wow, they don't send you to go braquer bank. Why you go braquer the bank? Because the camera show Maidor. Now so now he call the police. He call the police to say, wow, why? Una go tell the man of the bank say na me braquer the bank. You understand? The story na say those two people when they go braquer bank, Maidor was the chef de gang. But now that is not what they send him to go do. Now because in a longer money be send him. So instead for him to go attack Amber, Onga won't kill him because nobody they pay handsome again. Everybody don't wise. They hide the people na inside house. They know how they put their leg. He go na braquer bank, and braquer bank is La République. It's like I'm working for our Excellency Dr. Sako, and I will go and kill Dr. Sako. That was why they come say this guy had become a threat to us. He's not working against us again. How can he go and braquer? How can he go and braquer the bank? It's not normal. So he get to die. So when they call him, they say, Maidor, you don't get to braquer the bank. We tell you, say, you should show us Amber boy, you should kidnap children, you should rape mothers. When you braquer the bank, is the government, the loss. So you are working now against the government, it's not good. He told them, say, but, when they send me for boost, when they don't give me money, and they work now, they risk my life. So they come to say, you know, they respect again. If he be a threat for them, now so they come carry him, they kill him. When they kill another, they parade his body as if na trophy. They kill him. Now so ADF have to come and claim say that they are fighters. If Maidor was ADF fighters, that simple means say ADF is against the revolution. Because Maidor was killing only fighters. Maidor was harassing our people. Maidor was raping our girls. So if Maidor is actually a fighters of ADF, we have to understand that ADF is against the revolution because we, the people of Ambazonia, we protect our citizens. We protect our people. We respect human rights. And we fight to defend only ourselves. So fellow Ambazonians, for Matador. The second topic na say wetin ADF and La République are collaborating. ADF be comot go kill police. Una listen to me. ADF be comot be kill police because they wanted to harass our people. That's the way it happened in Bamenda. Na only one police they kill. And who kill the police? Na them by themselves. Na them by themselves kill the police. So they kill the police because they want to put suffer on our people. They want to distract the people revolution. I want to tell Ambazonians today. I am the female general and I have been in this revolution since 2016. If I come, she don't tell una something, una get to take it serious. The only person wey go take us to Boya is the interim government led by His Excellency Dr. Sako. EPOM is on mission. Mark Arata is on mission. EPOM, as una see him so, frustration na dey worry him. Mark Arata is on mission. All of them, ADF, they have been there for 30 years, collaborating with La République. 30 years, collaborating with La République. So we get to understand one something. We get Amber War Drive, humanitarian war drive where they come up on the 27th. We get to disgrace our people because we have our refugees in Nigeria. We are not going to let them down. Right now, we get coronavirus where they affect the whole world. We get to support our people on Nigeria. So we get to make sure we put La République dans la sauce. Fellow Ambazonians, let me send a message to La République because I cannot live here without sending a message to them. Chers Camerounais, cher gouvernement camerounais, j'ai appris cette semaine avec le poids lourd que être anglophone à Douala est un danger. J'ai vu aussi sur les réseaux sociaux comment vous assassinez les jeunes ambazoniens anglophones sur le territoire camerounais. Pour cela, en tant que la femme générale ambazonienne, je viens vous dire, nous n'avons aucun lien avec Kamto. Kamto n'est pas, ne sera pas, jamais, je dis jamais en collaboration avec l'Ambazonie. Je vais vous dire pourquoi. Parce que l'Ambazonie est un pays et nous n'avons rien à voir avec ce qui se passe au Cameroun. Nous sommes certainement voisins, mais nous n'avons pas de décision à prendre pour vous les Camerounais. Si vous croyez que vous pouvez utiliser le peuple ambazonien pour atteindre vos fins, laissez-moi vous dire aujourd'hui que vous avez menti. Nous sommes un peuple assassiné, violé. Nos parents se retrouvent dans les brousses. Nos parents sont au Nigeria et dorment dans la belle étoile. Pendant que vous, peuple camerounais, vous restez tranquille et silencieux. Aujourd'hui, vous avez besoin de nous pour enlever votre dictateur Paul Biya. Nous, le peuple ambazonien, on vous répond aujourd'hui. Non à la collaboration avec Kamto. Non à la collaboration avec Kamto parce que Kamto est pour un Cameroun et l'Ambazonie est pour la séparation. Nous voulons notre restauration. Nous voulons notre pays comme ça l'a été avant l'unification. S'il y a eu unité, c'est qu'il peut y avoir séparation. Nous disons que vous n'avez pas respecté les clauses pour lesquelles nous nous sommes réunis. Alors aujourd'hui, depuis 4 ans, nous avons décidé de partir. Et vous ne pouvez pas nous empêcher de partir. Vous ne pouvez pas nous distraire. Je vais dire ici au gouvernement camerounais, l'heure n'est plus à la rigolade. Si c'était aussi facile, c'est que vous n'en êtes plus là. Vous avez vu comment l'armée ambazonienne assassine copieusement les terroristes camerounais sur le territoire ambazonien. Nous sommes un peuple déterminé, une armée bien formée. Jusqu'ici, le gouvernement camerounais n'a que fait assassiner les pauvres civils. Je viens ici vous dire, vous savez, c'est très amusant et très drôle, car l'armée camerounaise a eux-mêmes peur de l'armée ambazonienne. Ils se révoltent et prennent leur revanche sur les peuples civils. Laissez les civils ambazoniens. Ils ne sont pour rien. Attaquez l'armée ambazonienne parce qu'ils sont là à vos recherches. Arrêtez de distraire le peuple ambazonien, car nous sommes focalisés. Pour ceux qui ne savent pas ce qu'il se passe, pour ceux qui croient qu'on veut diviser le Cameroun, on n'est pas intéressé par le Cameroun. Le Cameroun ne nous intéresse pas. On veut restaurer notre pays. Et c'est notre droit. Alors, il y a des personnes qui sont rentrées, qui sont permises de rentrer dans mon inbox pour m'éduquer à dire arrêtez ça, la guerre n'est pas bien. Où étiez-vous en 2006 quand mon peuple demandait le fédéralisme? Où étiez-vous en 2006 quand Biya a déclaré la guerre au peuple ambazonien? Ils ont cru en fait que l'armée ambazonienne était des boules mouillées camerounais à qui on manipule et qu'on fait peur avec quelques balles en l'air. Ils ont cru que les ambazoniens étaient ce peuple mouillard, ce peuple camerounais qui ne s'intéresse qu'à l'alcool. Oui, Biya est entré dans votre cerveau depuis 37 ans avec la bière. Il a fait le confinement pendant 1 mois. Il a réouvert les bars parce qu'il savait que si le Camerounais ne boit pas, il réfléchira. Mais malheureusement, l'ambazonien, qu'ils boivent ou pas, c'est un peuple réfléchi. Ils ont compris ce qui est bien pour eux. Nous avons compris ce qui est bon pour nous. Et nous savons que la séparation, la restauration de l'Ambazonie est tout ce qui est meilleur pour nous. Alors vous ne pouvez pas aujourd'hui nous dire non, unissons-nous pour enlever Biya, supportons professeur Kamto. Ah, professeur Kamto, où était-il? En 2016, je ne l'ai pas vu. Je crois l'avoir vu en 2018 quand il a gagné son soir penalty. Quand il a tiré son soir penalty et a marqué, sauf qu'on lui a refusé sa victoire. C'est là qu'on a vu ce fameux professeur Kamto qui a surgi de nulle part et aujourd'hui, vous voulez que ce peuple qui souffre et meurt depuis 2016 supporte quelqu'un qui ajuste son ambition politique. On dit non à la collaboration. Sisikou Ayuk Tabe est l'ex-président ambazonien et il n'a aucun, je dis bien, aucun pouvoir de décider quoi que ce soit au nom du peuple ambazonien. Tous ceux-là qui veut prendre, qui va voir ce qui se passe, doivent suivre notre président actuel, son excellence Dr Sako. Dr Sako, c'est le seul président légitime. C'est à lui que nous écoutons. C'est lui qui nous donne les directives. C'est lui qui nous dit ce qu'il faut faire. C'est lui qui a le dernier mot. Alors il a dit non à la collaboration avec Kamto. Il a dit non. Nous lavons nos mains contre tout ce qui est Kamto. Pour ce faire, tous ceux qui disent collaborer avec Kamto au nom de l'Ambazonie le font à leur risque et péril. Nous les Ambazoniens avions dit non à la collaboration avec Kamto. Nous, on ne combat pas pour le changement du régime. On combat pour la restauration et sans condition de l'Ambazonie. Est-ce que le message est clair? Alors, pour tous ceux-là qui croient que l'unité est encore possible, laissez-moi vous dire qu'il est temps que vous sortez dans les rues et que vous dites à votre président Okouche, Paul Biya, le président Rakai, le seul vieux président qui ne mérite même pas être président. La honte des papas, la honte d'un peuple. Dites à votre président Rakai, votre président voix de tortue, qu'il est temps qu'il se lève de ses couches et qu'il laisse votre pays en paix. Vous ne le feriez pas avec nous les Ambazoniens parce que nous ne sommes pas Camerounais. Nous ne pouvons pas laisser notre pays et venir enlever votre président pour vous. Les Maliens ont enlevé le président eux-mêmes. Les Burkinabés ont enlevé Compaoré eux-mêmes. C'est autour des Camerounais d'enlever le président. Vous ne pouvez pas venir demander aux Ambazoniens de venir enlever votre président pour vous. Est-ce que ça a un sens, chers compatriotes, ex-compatriotes camerounais? Ah non, ça n'a pas de sens. Vous ne pouvez pas appeler le Gabon de venir vous aider à enlever Paul Biya. Vous ne pouvez pas aussi appeler les Ambazoniens de venir vous aider à enlever Paul Biya. Est-ce que le professeur Maurice Kamto comprend la gravité et la gravité politique? Parce que c'est pas logique qu'il puisse demander à notre pays de venir enlever le président de notre pays. C'est pas normal. Alors je vous dirais bien qu'il faut qu'il s'asseye et qu'il prenne son PhD et qu'il s'asseye et qu'il réfléchisse. Comment est-ce que tu peux laisser ton peuple et appeler notre peuple de venir enlever ton président? Levez-vous tous et enlevez votre dictateur. votre dictateur, parce que le problème ambazonien, ce n'est pas un problème de régime. Le problème de l'Ambazonie, c'est un problème de restauration. On ne peut pas brûler nos mamans vives, nous assassiner depuis 4 ans, nos sœurs et frères sont dans les brousses, et vous dites que nous mourrons pour Paul Biya. Nous ne mourrons pas pour Paul Biya. Nous mourrons pour l'avenir. Et l'avenir, c'est l'Ambazonie. L'avenir, c'est la restauration totale. L'avenir, ce n'est pas au Cameroun, parce que le Cameroun, c'est un peuple inconscient. Les Ambazoniens, c'est un peuple debout, prêt à se battre pour l'avenir et le futur de leur progéniture. Pour ceux-là qui croient que non, on est les frères, nous ne sommes jamais frères. Nous sommes frères africains, nous sommes bons voisins, mais nous sommes un peuple. Fellow Ambazonians, I am coming back to you to tell una say it don't bad. Ekelebe, carry his stomach, you know if you go for cash Ambazonia, it is deceive now. Useless hunger people. They carry machete. They say they want go cash Amba. I say they don't sell una sell na weti. They don't do una do weti. Una don't get sense. Ekelebe we get gun. It run for Amba. Una don't see Ekelebe they run. Last time they run, they hide, they run. They get guns. They run for Amba. They go meet una say una go cash Amba. Una carry una stomach they go cash Amba with machete. Una don't get sense. Na so la Republic go keep deceive una. All una enablers. They go keep deceive una one by one. Una don't see video where Ekelebe they run for Amba boys. Una don't see the video. Una get mind. They see say la Republic terrorist military. Thief people. Angoba. When they don't go to go still safe. They run for Amba boy. Because they don't know how to fight anything. They can't take them so put for army so. Now say no be say they merit. Now say they know somebody, they carry them, put them. So they don't even get the merit. They don't get even any experience. All they know now to burn houses, rape girls. That's all they know. If now say war front with Amba boy, you know fit. Amba boy are well. Me I not accept. So they come run for Amba boys. Say una they carry machete. Una they carry machete. They go say una go to catch my boys. My restoration fighters. Una tell me, hey, I say una not the pity una life. Una not the pity una life. Amba boys, they there to defend una to make sure say we get our country back. To make sure we get our future, to make sure that we not go finish school and become Okada man, to make sure that we not go finish school and become Anglophone, to make sure that you not go commit a crime, they go carry you go for Douala, they judge you for the language where you know to understand. We just fight day and night to make sure that we give una the best future. Una the carry machete, they go where? Una the carry machete, they go look for people where they fight day and night, they risk their life for una. Huh? They don't do una for village. And somebody come from Igbo say, no, they are not like that. That is not the real story. And I tell you, say, na the real story be that. Na the real story be that. Okay? So, una get to reason. La Republic no feel love una pass their self. They want to use una for their personal interest. If they love una no feel see that reason. If they love una, how come they burn una houses? How come they kill una day by day? If they love una, just because of una resources, they come use una the same una where they fight for una day and night. We don't sleep. We did the day and night. They make sure that we get to send una big future. Una go follow la Republic. Wait till they promise una carry machete. When they catch una they send people for my inbox say, no, General, please, you feel save life. Which life? If they go kill my fighters, if they go kill my General Pity, no pity. My handsome General Pity. No be me go for cry for only me. When they come my inbox now, they tell me say, General, you feel say life. They are not no. You know his story. Were you there with them? Were you there with them when they go meet La Republic, they carry machete, say that they go catch Amba boys? Were you there with them? Until April come say, free the innocent. April, how many times I call your name? April, your collaboration in La Republic will not cross our fighters. Your collaboration with La Republic will not cross our fighters. I want to tell you, Epom, Listen to me and listen very clear. Ambazonians are not mad people. Ambazonians are not fools. Our restoration forces will not arrest villagers. Those people was working with matches, making noise. When the Amber Day, they make noise. When they catch them, they come, they do pity. We know the pity enablers again. This time around, we know the pity enablers. Starting with the pity enablers, it don't finish. Anybody where they go collect money from La Republic say he want go show where Amber Boys there. He no say if you not show the place well, we catch him, na die. When I listen to me, anybody when I send this message on the ground because I know the laugh. Anybody where he carry his stomach say he dey go show Amber Boy, he no say he should ride it. He should ride the wheel before he go. Because when they catch you, there will be no mercy. Ride your wheel because when they catch you, they will come say we dey kill our own people. No. Our own people are using enablers, are using La Republique to kill our fighters. And that is so bad. Our own people are using La Republique to kill our fighters. So we should not sit down and say, now because in our people, if they know say they're our people, they know go collaborate with La Republique and say anybody where he carry his stomach, go say it, go see La Republique. May ride the wheel because no mercy anymore. General Pity, our free marshal, all the general on the ground, when I cafe they up. Yes, this our woman, female general. I say any black leg we wanna catch, no mercy. Any black leg, I don't talk so. I endorse me. I endorse. When I tell La Republique say, na me talk so. Anybody where he want go follow La Republique terrorist military against our fighters, we na right, we na will. Na rest in peace. Rest in peace. I don't be say we na go talk say I talk so. Me. Because my fighters no go die. My fighters go restore Ambazonia. And I will go to Boe and celebrate. So please, the area una shouldn't quiet. And say una no know nothing, the better for una because una go show, they go see kill una. Una no go show. The only people who they protect una na Amber Boys. So una go send La Republique terrorists there, they kill them. Who go protect una? So now, for you to get mind to go show your own border where they kill them, that means say you become an enemy. So no mercy for you. So nobody should come from my inbox say, Femechina, if you save life, this whether story true, you not true. Before you go carry machete, say they look for Amber Boys. Reason. Before you go carry machete, they walk up and down, say they look for Amber Boys. Reason. Now, when I call a pom ask him, say me the Femechina, I don't tell him say, how market for FBI. When I ask a pom say I talk so. Next week I am coming back. Because this story never starts. Next week I am coming back. When I tell a post, I say hand market for FBI and hand market for the court where La Republique send them. Yes. When I tell a poem, so I get. May I call a poem? May I call a poem? I dey call a poem. I go ask him question because I don't vex. I no want noise. I dey call a poem. Nah. Because this stupid rat. A poem. A poem. Epom?
Why you always call me?
Epom, hey, shut up. Talk. I don't call you. I be the female general. I go fear you. Me the whole female general. Why they lie? How they lie so? Why they lie so? Tell Amazon why they lie so.
General, I called you the other day to beg you say me need to call my name. I even sent Gemma Congo. Me say you this is me. You can't join me. You don't join me. You call for private number. I'm gonna talk for you. With you. Eh? You do you one. Have you talked something for you? You do you one.
I did me one. Yes, I did me one. Have fun.
Okay, have you talked something for you?
Yeah, tell me something.
No one see you, no man hear you, no.
No one know. I did my house. I did my house now. Oh yeah.
Okay, I want to tell you say. I want me to join with. Like the public don't give me some money, man, I give them for you. And I want to give you the money. You see the other day I wear some jacket now. That's my military jacket where I put on my neck the other day. I get the jacket too. You see, and the other day, you know, see me, I go for this place now, for Media Africa. I want key caster.
Okay.
You know, so now me and my brother did that amount for my trip to Boya.
Tabinyang, that your man
Yes.
the real for my trip to Boya.
One key castle.
Wow.
You know, I don't even call him my name for the again. I don't call the president, the real president.
Wow, that you try, you try. At least you get, you know, say even I will send you message, so you understand. You get to at least do small, because you see, so you know, say our Secretary Chris and Dr. Sako, our excellency, you know, they don't take my tribute to Boya money. You know that one, not my brother.
No, I know they don't take the money, but I begin to find wait to vex me that say I never get money again. When I be there for the government, interim government, I be the coach Ayaba. I be the coach Ayaba, coach shut up with them. But since they sack me from the interim government, I don't get money again, so I get to go against them. So I don't tire. So I call you now say, I never see you on all this time. So I want call you for see what if you can join me, who continue to coach them.
Even last time I even see say Dr. David Makongo be call me. Now you be tell him to call me. You know, say me, I don't like talking with people I don't know. You understand? So that diplomat, Dr. David Makongo, he be call me. I don't know why he call me, but I don't be pick because me, you know, I don't like talking with people. You know, say he be my brother. Even at the country for front, so for back, you see, they my brother. You understand? So that's why for back, I get to tell you the truth. Now, for don't mind me all these noise when they make for social media and insult you. You be my brother, my personal brother, my personal brother. I love you plenty. Wetin dey vex me I say you be collect money for La Republique. That's my problem. Where I be discover it vex me. That's why I be go social media and cause you. But I don't, as you don't talk, say we go share the money. Are they happy? So we will join hands together.
My newspaper need to give me no money. I don't want to lie every day. Say my newspaper they give me money. They do this and that. They need to give me no money. You know. And I just be confused. I don't understand. The other day I lied. They show some videos saying like breaking news for site. Anyone will do that kind of video. If you just from the news station show up for your phone say that breaking news this, they don't arrest this man. I lie say I ringwa don't sue Dr. Sako. I lie again say Senate office they don't audit this man. They don't say this other one a baby lie. And I mean I do all that thing and I stage it. I be fool. You know I be fool now. I be fool. You know.
Wow, my
brother.
I say.
I don't think you know I be fool.
I say. So you don't get. I say you don't feel return like how much you collect for like people you don't feel return. I'm not my brother. You don't see that the kill people say no good. Why they over lie so no? You lie too much. You pass level self.
No, they
you over to the lie.
One type of nail.
And but I say the things are true. You don't see that they lie so the things are true. They don't know yourself. They don't say lie now your second name. They don't know that one.
But you know, so no. I be to do so because I be the vex and not make money again. I don't know the kind of speed with Sako get up. See this draft. That one just confused me. I don't talk all kind of lie people need to believe me. You know, because I lie. I know so lie the last. I don't talk all kind of lie people need to believe me. I don't want beg to say because this you are power, you are strong for this thing. You make so people need to believe me because you can't go and control more. You know. You can go control more, and I don't like that style. So tell me, what if how me I want to do? I don't say Makomi beg you, say my sister. What if Makomi be tell you for the message?
No, if you hide me, say Mama, calm me and look. Oh, it get you. Let me look. If you hide me, say it yourself. Look. You don't say me. I don't like picking people call like that. You understand? And because you be my personal brother, where I talk saying. No matter what, you know, me and you were close before. So, anyhow, we get to talk. You understand? That's why I even call you. My right, Makongo David. Yes, now him be this. No be picture diplomat. He said, good afternoon, Marco. Please, kindly let me know if you get a minute or two to spare. Thank you. He be called tired self. You know, see?
Me, I'm going to tell you the other time we chop for a house, we arrange how we do things.
No, I don't be answering because me, I know they talk with diplomat. You know, say I know do diplomacy. You understand? Me now, I been a fighter. I been a fighter. I don't do me diplomacy.
African media.
Yes.
That is for the African media. See, and when me and Dima Bide, Italian and Nico. You know, he's somebody who talks a lot. I don't know the kind of doctor he's even. You know, I don't know the kind of doctor he be even. You know. But that day I not even cost Sako name. He kind of talk say we don't take money for my trip to Boya. He told me to take the money. Or maybe I take like 50,000, but you know, No.
I
You mean
said.
that's some money, that's it. Tabian talks, Tabian talks.
So you take money from my Titi Boya.
I'm taking one or take a say. That's some what's up with the money? Not easy money.
I said, you be take money from my Titi Boya. You come
online.
online and shout, say my Titi Boya. Hey, you do this guy, you have to send me some part of that money. You have to send me some more for that money.
Listen again. Even the auditing was showing another for my show, saying that the auditing this Tabian can't say that audit to be wrong. Say be my audit. Even for everything that my Titi Boya, all that in a lie. To imagine Tabian to narrative my from. I'm ashamed. You know, I don't fake some video. I can say, oh, breaking news. I watch it the next day. You don't end. You don't move from it. You know the work again. You don't day and all that. 2 days after, Mr. Eno Chris Cancer Talk, ABC TV day. She my lie did they ever come back some kind of way? I don't know why me I must continue to lie where the lie be correct lie. If you help me for talk show.
Wow. I say, Papa, how much I'll be pay you now? You don't feel if you feeling me? How much they pay you now for come to destroy our excellency? So, and they call themselves excellence. You behave our excellency, Sako. How much they pay you, sir?
You listen now. I don't come back and tell you now. Say all that thing where you see these fake things and what they do. Will you go back or regret them? Because we want damage other person the repetition for make more be something, but whenever else be. All people they can see me, watch me, they be fool them. They don't even know what they do. They can't watch me, they listen to me. I just do like Trump. I they lie like Trump until they believe me. Until they believe me self. I even slap your face, I know what to do for me. Wow. You understand that? But that video of
sometimes they talk that lies. Sometimes it isn't true. Sometimes they talk those lies. Sometimes before when they talk, they believe you. I don't be not saying that when I come be discovered, say when you come say arrest. That time when you talk say they arrest free Masha.
When you hear it.
That time I become no say. That time I become no say you be. When you say they arrest free Masha, and that time I come no say you be lie. Now lie way they lie every day so.
When you see how they talk the sharp, now they talk quiet now. Because they talk true. When you see how they talk the holla. Those are the lie. If you see for life, show the talk the holla. See, I'm telling you, they don't see this thing. You see Dr. Sako? ABC TV not there again. You see overdraft. You see, they just United Senate, they don't audit this company, they go jail. I'm telling my to the FBI. All that I'm here to talk. Can't get it for talk. I can't show us some fake videos, breaking news. Any man if you do that breaking news, I even do of my bedroom. I just breaking news to the Sako on my own phone. Breaking news telling me I get that, other person don't get that. My followers they ask me say, who's that show me the link for this breaking news, we'll go see the breaking news now. But only me I get that on my phone, they still follow me like them 800, 1,000.
Wow.
But now I want me to help me. I want to raise some money. I want to raise some money. I want me to help me not for the blast me about raising money.
You want to raise money for waiting? Which happen for Daki? Which happen for Dak now?
Daphne the worker. You don't overtalk, but I want you join me more. So if you raise the money, I'll give some.
But what about that national army where you get project? You know Waka again? That national army.
National army. And all things have my mop. All army have my mop. I talk to my mop. You know somebody that told me they cut for the hand now. Now they be against Paul, they cut for the hand. See me by local.
But that money they like don't chop the money finish.
I did that so I get letters every day from Cameroon numbers for a year. They don't tell me say if I not produce. Wow. I don't show the money finish up.
Wow.
I take the money for people to give me the work, not to the work. I buy my Apple laptop, buy my microphone, then I want to make my Telegraph radio, but you need to work still. Wow. I get Telegraph for Malawi, I get it for Kenya, I get it for Mozambique. I'm CEO, a big boy. I know you, that kind of thing. A CEO.
Wow. You don't try, but which I want to say. So how have you helped you now? Tell me, because I go see. You gonna say me so. This revolution there from my heart, so me I don't want something about that revolution, but if now something we know for the revolution.
Don't ever tell any man I call you, I beg you. Not ever.
No, I don't.
Don't ever tell any man I call you.
At the case. I will come to hire you for Facebook. I will tell them, no,
yes.
I promise you. You know, say me, I know how to keep secret.
Yes.
You know, understand?
Because if you tell them,
keep secret, well.
But as those, you just funny thing. I decided for join back for the interim government. You know, they just reflected about Sako for nothing. Sako no do nothing. I get the vex, I get it. Because Sako move from my mom.
You want come back? You want come back for you want come back for IG for truth or na say you want do na plan for get information to infiltrate.
I want come back to show we no day. That's it. That's what Dr. Sakura was snub me. You know, I do all to me take note of me, but he didn't even take note of me. The man just snub me.
Our excellency be talk say Dr. Sakura be talk say you be call him last time. If you tell me say you be call him last time, you come live on social media say na him call you. Why they call him normal sir?
Yeah, I call him. I be call him because of one backup. I be call him. Even when I draft, I be call when I draft license, I get $3,000 because they not be listening to true. But that draft the worker.
Okay. Anyway, no.
So that's me talking a lie.
So tell me, when I show some love, I don't want people to block the life. When I show love, like. So what happened? I say, how I want to help you now? May I know because I get to cook for my children.
You see me they show. Excuse me. You see me they show some love. They show love for waiting. Now you are willing to play with this. So.
Huh?
You see me they won't show love for waiting. You see me they show some love. Now you are willing for this.
No,
General, you don't trick me up so.
No, I have to do that can't no. No. I did. You know say I don't talk say may show some love. So I don't even know what I talk. I don't talk with you. My mind thinks I my brother, my head not the correct self. You see, I don't go live again because my head don't.
Anyway, as I don't tell you so.
As you see me so, my head don't correct again. I talk anyhow self. Understand?
I feel living also no.
So how he help you now?
No, I don't want me to call my name again over here. I call my name and you give medicine for me. All man they call my name, but when you call my name, I fear.
So what about wait, may I ask you last question before you go? May I ask you last question? I say, bro. I say that palava dark so how market now? How market for FBI?
I just leave that thing other than a motion picture.
So FBI not only noise. You know, so that time you talk FBI, I be fear. I be fear. I say, hey, if someone say he own people for FBI, I be fear that FBI something no.
FBI no. I'm going to waste my time to make campaign in front of FBI office. This is FBI office. You see me? I'm right in front of the office. I'm not in front of FBI. I'm right here. FBI is my neighbor. 15 minutes for my walk, 20 minutes for my beats. I'll take remote put on my neck. Where I'm in uniform, nothing needed to change.
Wow.
You know,
don't watch on top of Ambassador, don't watch on top of your head now. Anything no the waka again.
Yes.
You and Pastor Mark.
Nah.
Pastor Mark for Sunday offering. You know the waka again. All the strategy don't die. Wow. I don't hear say. I don't hear some stories say David Makongo be promised $3,000 to my but he never pay. Not true.
David Makongo take the money by a coat. Not a picture.
Picture diplomat. Okay, no, bro, we go sit down later. I want to go find something to eat. Understand?
Okay.
Thank you so much. We go sit down later. We go collaborate. I will still call you. Go explain more better. You understand? Thank you so much.
Okay,
we are together. Okay. Hey, Pomo. Hey, Pom. Hey, Pom. Una here? Hey, Pom say. Epom is saying that everything where they talk na lie. Epom the confess. You know say I dey life. When he come, when I go tell, no tell Epom say I frame him up. Epom no say I dey life. I dey call him. He dey talk. Una see Epom. Una see he life. He say embassy. They ask him to return the money, refund the money. So when I ask them, una say Epom na criminal. Una say I dey lie. Anyway, please let us focus. Our people, our refugee need us. Amber World Drive this week. Amber World Drive for humanitarian. We are going to make our refugee proud. Please, we don't say with this coronavirus, things don't really tight. Please, touch your heart. Touch your heart and make sure you put even $5, $10 for our refugee. I will see you then. I stand for humanitarian World Drive. All those people when they want hack ABC TV say their head no correct. How market for hacking of ABC? Hand market for FBI. We want to thank everybody that stands with the people entering government. When I don't see go stand today, when I don't see the lockdown. Now we get the land. Now we get the land. When the interim government talks in as so, now we the control the land. When I forget those making noise when they call themselves say ADF one battery. That na wetin? ADF na wetin? Huh? When I go hear ADF only when they will go kill fighter. Wetin be ADF? ADF na wetin? Wetin be ADF? Criminal vigilant of Atangalanchi Paul group. Huh? Vigilant group of La République. They want to compare with the people entering government. We own Ambazonia and we are going to Boya. I want to thank everyone that joined today. I want to thank Una. I will see Una next week Monday. Thank you for joining. That was the female general. Bye.